The important thing that you guys need to know is when we are completing the square, we are not changing the parabola. So ons is nie besig om te sê ek het nou 'n ander parabool nie. What we are doing is we are taking it from its standard form to the turning point form. F of x in both those cases is exactly the same parabola. It has the same y-intercept, the same x-intercept, the same turning point. Alles van hom is dieselfde. Dis net twee verskillende maniere om hom te skryf. Okay, dis so goed soos jou bynaam en jou naam. Ons praat heeltyd van jou, né? Maar op twee verskillende maniere geskryf. Okay. So, what we do when we complete the square is you are going to use this. Right. Okay. And this thing is not going to be on your formula page. Oopsie. Gaan maak hom sommer 'n cirkeltjie. Okay, now remember you're taking it from the standard form. So the standard form has a b in, né? Sien julle dis al b wat voor die x tot die mag 1 staan. Okay. So let's start off with a relatively simple one. Okay, and now I'm going to say b over 2 squared. Wat is b in daai geval? 6. Eintlik minus 6, né? Minus 6 gedeeld deur 2 kwadraat. Why do you do that? Which is negative 3 squared, which is equal to 9. En ek gaan nou vir julle wys hoekom ek daai stappie inhou. It's going to help you later on if you have that in a bracket somewhere. Okay. Goed. Nou, sê nou maar ek gee vir elkeen van julle 'n cupcake. Né? En dan vat ek almal van julle se cupcakes terug. Hoeveel cupcakes het julle elkeen gekry? Niks, né? So do you guys agree that when I add something and I subtract that same number again, I didn't change the value of anything? Jy's nog steeds net so honger soos wat jy was soos voor ek vir die cupcakes gesê het, né? So we're going to add 9 and we are going to subtract 9. Remember the thing that we're trying to do now is to not change the value. We're just writing it in a different way. So ons gaan hom net gaan herskryf op 'n ander manier. So ons gaan sê en kyk gou mooi waar sit ek hom by. I'm going to add the 9 and I'm going to subtract the 9 en bring net jou plus 8 saam. Is it dripping there? Marley, if you need to move, then you can move. Kayla, I'm there by you? Not too bad. Okay. Don't shock. Okay. Goed. En die rede hoekom daai 9 vir ons belangrik is as jy hom so geskryf het, wil jy daai in swart hê nie, ek wil dit hê in iets anders. Daai 3 terme, ons het mos nou daai 9 gaan bysit. We put the 9 there. Those 3 terms will always be, you will always be able to write those 3 terms as a bracket squared. So jy kan gaan kyk, daai 3 terme, as jy dit vereenvoudig, gaan jy kan skryf as, kom nou, x minus 3 kwadraat. The part that I underlined in orange, do you guys agree that if I have x minus 3 squared, it will just give me x squared minus 6x plus 9 again? Daai twee goed is gelyk aan mekaar. Okay. And then the remainder, you just simplify. So the remainder will be that part. What is minus 9 plus 8? Negative 1. En sien julle, daai is die draaipuntvorm. So I've went and I've said that this, nee man, that this can be written as that. And it's exactly the same parabola. Hy word net op 'n ander manier geskryf. Hoe weet ons dis presies dieselfde parabool as ek nou hierdie ene gaan vat en ek doen dit? So ek sê x maal x is x kwadraat, x maal minus 3 is minus 3x, minus 3 maal x is minus 3x, plus 9 minus 1. Sien julle, dis presies dieselfde ding, it's exactly the same thing. I've just gone and written it different. And what does this help me? What can you immediately deduct from there? The turning point of that parabola will be at at 3 and negative 1. Okay. Gaan daai uitvee want dit maak nie saakie. Now I quickly want to show you another trick. As jy daai stappie daar gehou het, whatever is written there will be the thing that you write in the bracket with the x. So sien julle my hakie is x minus 3 kwadraat minus b divided by 2 will always give you that thing that you need in the bracket. So as jy sy teken reg ingestel het en alles, dan hoef jy nie nog te gaan en dit te gaan factoriseer nie. You can just write that there. So let's say b was 8, then you would have had 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So then your bracket will be x plus 4 squared. So dit maak dit net 'n bietjie makliker vir jou as jy daai net, because then you don't have to go and physically factorize the trinomial. You have the bracket already. All right. Everyone still following? Sort of? Now let's quickly look at these ones that I gave you here. Waar is hulle nou? Nie daai ene nie. This one we did for homework. Where did we say the turning point was? 1 and negative 9. So we predict this one should be written as that. Né? That's what I predict. Kom ons kyk of dit waar is. So ons begin met x kwadraat minus 2x minus 8. Okay, our first step is this. What is b? Okay, vereenvoudig hom eers. So wat is minus 2 gedeel deur 2? En dit is mos net gelyk aan 1. Né? So now we're going to add it first and then subtract it. So ek gaan sê x kwadraat minus 2x. I add the 1. Jy moet 'n glitter wees. I add the 1 and I subtract the 1. Want ons mag nie gaan verander in sy waarde nie, né? Geef jou kap, kyk ek van hom weer terug. And then just bring the minus 8 along. Like that. Okay. Nou gaan hierdie 3 terme wat hier staan, kan factoriseer in 'n hakie kwadraat in. What will that bracket be? X, and then look what's written there. It's a minus 1. Eh? What's minus 1 minus 8? Minus 9. En julle het gesien toe ons die parabool geteken het, waar was sy draaipunt? Sy draaipunt was immers gewees by 1 en min 9.